Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to set up your WIX email. So we're on our WIX website and we have some of our sites here. So we're going to select on the first one. It is important to note that you need to have a premium plan and a registered domain in order to have this feature. However, we will be showing you just how to get there in order to know what to do when you have it. So we're going to come here. Right now we're on our website's dashboard, which we selected, and we're going to come down to settings. When we click on settings, we have some options here. We're going to look for business email. So we're going to come down and we can see here business email. And after selecting it, of course, like I said before, you need to have your WIX subscription and a domain that you've paid for. So first is asking to connect a domain. Now, if you've connected your domain before, you're going to see let's start here instead of connected domain. And when you click on that, the steps are easy to follow. All you need to do is to continue with the procedure and you're going to have your business email on WIX. So this is what you need to do in order to set up your WIX email.